Hello everyone and welcome back to Shaggy's Car Shop. On tonight's episode, we're going to be getting rid of some more of this old underbody coating underneath. And again, we're doing this on a budget, so we're using some wire wheels on an angle grinder and a drill. Well, without any further ado, let's get to the video. So as you can see, I've already cleaned up some of my firewall here. Got some of the old seam sealer out. Replaced where my air box goes. But I have this area in here and all underneath here. So I guess I'll just get to it. Alright guys, before I get to it, make sure you guys are wearing dust mask and safety glasses. Doing this sort of work, you're grinding off miniature metal particles and this rubberized coating and old paint. You guys don't want to be breathing that in. I sure don't. So I'm not going to be talking too much in this video because I have my dust mask on, but please ensure that you guys wear this stuff before you do any sort of grinding or removing of this old paint, and who knows what was in it. Whether it was lead or asbestos, any of that. You don't want to be breathing it. Alright guys, here we go. Alright guys, as you guys can see, this is kind of some nasty, dirty work. So I'm going to keep at it, and I'll bring you guys back once I've cleaned this up and sprayed a little bit of primer on there and show you what it looks like. Alright, see you in a minute. Alright folks, as you can see, I got this area all cleaned up. It cleaned up pretty well. I don't want to get too close to it. It's got fresh primer on it. But you can only do so much with small hand tools, and I don't have a sandblaster, so this is the way I'm doing it. I will bring you guys along for cleaning up the rest of the firewall as it happens, and thank you for watching Shaggy's Car Shop, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. See you next time.